Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix this type of red filter light on top of your Daikin AC after cleaning the filter or when the filter reminder won't turn off. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply turn off the air conditioner and then you just have to simply open its front panel. Now when you open these front panel, you are going to see these type of two air filters inside it. So you just have to simply remove both of these air filters and then you just have to do nothing but to just simply clean them using a vacuum cleaner or wash them with the clean water if they are very dirty. Now let the filters dry completely before reinstalling them. So once the filters are dry, you just have to slide them back into the original position and you just have to simply close the front panel securely. Now make sure that the filters are properly seated before you turn on your AC. Now when this step is done, you just have to simply use the remote control, and if the red light is still showing you will just need to restart or reset the filter indicator. For that, on top of your remote, you just have to simply press and hold the filter sign reset button, and then you just have to simply wait for at least 2 seconds. On some of the Daikin remotes, you will also need to press the cancel button instead, and the red filter light should disappear, confirming that the filter reminder has been reset. So that's how you can basically do it. Thanks for watching.